Eclipse. So first we'll start by installing Eclipse and we'll install Pydev and Python. So first, to get the Eclipse, you go to Google, type Eclipse. So you can take the first link that you get. Eclipse downloads the Eclipse Foundation. So to the left hand side, you'll see a button called download 64-bit. Click on that and download this. Click on the download button. This will download the Eclipse. So this will download the Eclipse for you. I have already downloaded this. Now you go to the downloads folder and you will see the Eclipse installer.tar.gz. First you unzip it. So once you unzip, you will get a file like this, Eclipse installer.app. Double click that. So this will ask you whether to open or not. You click on open. Okay, so you will have a list of options here that you can choose to install in your Eclipse. So if you're C or C++ developer, you can click on C developers. So for time being, for this Python, so I'm going to use the first option. Click on Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click on that and click on install. So this is going to install Java Oxygen Eclipse on your system. So this is going to take some time, so wait for some time. Okay, it's done. So now Eclipse is installed in your system. You can launch it and let the workspace be the default one. So you can set the workspace to any other path. So I'm going to leave it as the default path. Click on launch. So this is going to launch the Eclipse. So once you have Eclipse installed, now the next step is to configure Pydev on the Eclipse. So how do you do that? Go to help, click on Eclipse Marketplace, search for Pydev. Pydev, Pydev. Click on go. So yes, so you got two things. Take the first one, Pydev Python IDE for Eclipse 6.3.2. Click on install button. So this is going to install Pydev on your system. So choose everything and click on confirm. So this is going to ask you to accept the terms and conditions of the license. Choose the I accept the terms of the license agreement. Click on finish. And this is going to take some time and install the Pydev. So once it is done, it will ask you to restart the Eclipse. And you do that. It's restarting. So that's it. I think hopefully we should have Pydev. So yes, go to file, new, click on project. Yes, so we have Pydev here. So under Pydev, you choose Pydev project. Click on next and give a project name as Eclipse Python. Set the project type to Python. grammar version as 3.6. I'm using 3.6, the latest version of Python. And you can set the interpreter to quick auto config, apply and close. Then click on create src folder and add it to the Python path, and finally click on finish. So now this has created a project. I'm going to this has created a project called Eclipse Python. It has a folder called src under the Eclipse Python. I'm going to create all my Python files inside the src folder. So first let me create a Python file. I'm going to call this as hello.py. Click on finish. So remember that your Python file should have a .py extension. Okay, so once that is done, now we have a hello.py file creator. Let's type print hi and make sure this prints hi as the output. How do I run this? Go to run this file, click on Python run, click on OK. Yes, so finally it has outputted the hi in the console. So that's it. I hope that you understood how to install Pydev on Eclipse and how to run the Python program. Thank you.